Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire refrigerator ice auger drive bar. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new ice auger drive bar. The ice auger drive bar drives the auger and the ice bin. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and it's not driving the auger and dispensing the ice. In order to change the part, we have to open up the freezer door. Once you have the door open, we're going to reach in and pull the ice bucket out. All you have to do is lift up on it and pull it out. Now that you have the ice bucket out of the way, we have access to the ice auger drive bar. It's located right here in the back. If it's rusty, you can put some rust buster on it and let it soak for a while. We already did that and cleaned it up. And then you want to get this up so the large tab is like around 11 o'clock because we have to use a big screwdriver and use kind of like a snap action to get it to break free and come off the shaft. Once you have it broke free, you can just reach in and unscrew it. Once you have it free, you can pull it out of the freezer. Here's the old ice auger drive bar next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new one in, all you have to do is line it up on the threads and thread it on. Once you have it tightened down, we're going to grab the big flathead screwdriver again and just kind of snap this tight a little bit. You don't have to get it super tight. You just want to make sure it's on there good. Once you have it tightened down, we can put the ice bucket back in. To put it back in, all you have to do is slide it onto the rails, push it back into place. Once you have it in, you can close the freezer door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.